I feel like the Creative Mark lead holder set is an item that was made specifically for me, and I'll tell you why. Um, I am a little bit OCD about getting chalk and stuff all over my hands and fingers. It's something I struggle with pastels and graphite and charcoal and all that good stuff. And I guess it's not a great trait if you want to do art, you know, but some people don't mind and other people's do. But for me, the lead holder allows me to use these mediums in a clean way, in a way that really, I'll tell you, it feels really good in your hand. The handle's rubberized, it's got a really great grip on it, and it will allow you to do all different types of things. It's a 5.6 millimeter lead that it comes with, and it allows you to do all kinds of gestural drawings, or more fine point, fine work. I don't know what that qualifies as. And if you want to do a larger or smaller area, by adjusting how much lead you let out at the end, you can fill in huge areas. And again, my hand's not touching lead, and lead is, or excuse me, graphite can be fragile, and it's keeping it in that nice casing. I want to also just kind of make sure that you can see how it's gripped over here and in the back. Sometimes people like to hold it farther back for more looser work, to the side, and then of course, like I said, for your more fine-tuned detail. Other brands of lead and graphite and charcoal providers will work in this lead holder. So I'll show you an example. You can kind of see that the lead that it comes with, and it comes with a 6-pack of replacement graphite, and this is a 4B graphite it comes with, okay? But if you wanted to do something like, if you've ever used Conte crayons or charcoal, again, wanting to keep it cleaner, there are leads that fit right into it that you can buy, and they work just as well. And again, they protect your hands, they protect the crayon itself, and you can use it just like you would a Conte crayon or a piece of charcoal, compressed charcoal, and you're not getting your hands covered with pigment, which is really nice, a really nice tool. So the Creative Mark lead holder set, it's a great option for any artist that wants to keep a cleaner setup or just have a better grip on the art supplies that they're using.